Welcome everyone to our video on spiritual awakening. Have you ever felt like something is missing in your life, despite having everything you ever wanted? Or have you ever felt a sense of emptiness, despite achieving all your goals? These are common signs of a spiritual awakening. In this video, we will explore what spiritual awakening is, the signs that you may be experiencing it, and the ways to navigate this journey. We will also share real-life examples of how spiritual awakening can manifest in different people. Whether you're a skeptic or a spiritual seeker, this video will provide valuable insights and guidance. So, if you're ready to explore the deeper meaning and purpose of your life, join us on this journey of spiritual awakening. Trust the process, be open to new possibilities, and be prepared to be surprised by the wisdom of your inner self. This video is going to be an exciting journey, and we can't wait to share it with you. So, grab a notebook and a pen, and let's dive in. A person who has always been a logical, analytical thinker may start experiencing a strong sense of intuition and a desire to connect with their spiritual side. They may begin to question their beliefs and seek out a deeper understanding of the universe and their place in it. A person who has always been a very practical, materialistic person may start experiencing a sense of detachment from their possessions and a desire to live a more simple, minimalist lifestyle. They may start to see the value in living in the present moment and find joy in the small things in life. A person who has always been a very closed-off and guarded person may start experiencing a strong sense of empathy and a desire to connect with others on a deeper level. They may start to see the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of compassion and kindness. A person who has always been very spiritual but not religious may start experiencing a desire to explore traditional religious practices, or vice versa. They may start to question their previous beliefs and experiences and seek to integrate them into their current understanding of spirituality. It's important to remember that spiritual awakening can manifest in many different ways, and it's different for everyone. It's normal to feel confused or uncertain during this process, but it's important to trust that it's happening for your highest good and to seek guidance if needed. A person who has always been very career-driven and focused on success may start experiencing a sense of emptiness and a desire to find more meaning and purpose in their work. They may start to see the importance of making a positive impact in the world, and may seek out ways to align their career with their values and purpose. A person who has always been very focused on the material world may start experiencing a sense of detachment from their possessions and a desire to live a more simple and minimalist lifestyle. They may start to see the value of living in the present moment and find joy in the simple things in life. A person who has always been very skeptical about spirituality and religion may start experiencing a sense of curiosity and a desire to explore different spiritual practices and beliefs. They may start to question their previous beliefs and seek to understand the underlying truth behind different spiritual traditions. A person who has always been very focused on the self may start experiencing a sense of connectedness to others and a desire to serve and help others. They may start to see the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of compassion and kindness. Again, it's important to remember that spiritual awakening is a unique and personal experience, and it can manifest in many different ways. Trust the process, seek guidance if needed, and be kind and patient with yourself as you navigate this journey. A person who has always been very physically active and focused on the body may start experiencing a desire to connect with their inner self and explore meditation and yoga practices. They may start to see the importance of inner balance and harmony, and how it relates to their physical well-being. A person who has always been very focused on their external appearance may start experiencing a sense of detachment from their physical appearance and a desire to connect with their inner beauty. They may start to see the value of self-acceptance and self-love, and how it relates to their overall well-being. A person who has always been very focused on achieving goals and targets may start experiencing a sense of emptiness and a desire to find more meaning and purpose in their life. They may start to see the importance of living a fulfilling life, and how it relates to their overall well-being. A person who has always been very focused on their intellect may start experiencing a sense of connection to their emotions and intuition. They may start to see the importance of balancing their intellect with their emotions and intuition, and how it relates to their overall well-being. Thank you for watching our video on spiritual awakening. We hope that you found it informative and valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on self-discovery and personal growth. Also, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us to create more content that can inspire and empower others on their journey of self-discovery. Remember, spiritual awakening is a personal journey, and it can manifest in many different ways. Trust the process, be open to new possibilities, and seek guidance if needed. Remember to be kind and patient with yourself as you navigate this journey. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.